No, tell yeah. That witch, that idiot don't say the car will buy for them. Chelo. I don't say yes. Are
you serious or you're joking?
Okay. Mary said the car when you buy for us, so you go court. Now take the car of here now.
Where's my phone?
Come to sit here.
Where's my phone?
Mary don't say that like it's a play. Yeah, well, Chelo. Well, I want to make I understand this thing very well. Mary sell car where you buy for them. Constantly so you go court.
And I mean,
what sort of intimidation is that one now?
This smoker go to top upside.
Just my man, I defeat us now around because I've not been around. But come bring around this guy won't give me a happy plea. At your young age, they won't give me a happy plea. Oh, it is what you've always wanted. Hapun, I tell you no. I don't know why I tell you no. No, that's it.
Not good as I
I'm gonna since I could not rest. I'm not going to be put 12 midnight 3 a.m. in a phone. What sort of nonsense is that one? Can't you say there? Or you doing a man with a long wine?
Jesus Christ.
Take a man says you need a long wine.
So when you know.
This guy don't say this car. I put car tracker for the car.
I put car tracker for inside that car.
Man don't say that car.
What would they give this person this very?
Man don't say that car. Man don't say that car.
And on the other time, man, I watch this. I follow him steadily. Or we one day waking up while I wait, but I'm not a man. But check the baby, a man. What sort of nonsense? What did the boy for do?
Calm down.
The guy will enter this place and they follow everything where they happen. Upon businessman, where I go, I don't feel concentrate.
So many now they charge me to court. See they go sell my car.
As in, what did they give on this mind?
Victor, are you it's not live Victor, right? Oh. Many they charge me to court. See go sell car. Car what else make you return now?
Check
she go sell out.
When you're fighting scanner, but you
get any question. What's there? Just a small bag and a small clothes left.
A small bag and a small clothes. See, I know they do say when I do court marriage. Now you are married, now I do court marriage. If I meet them, not be me and I do court marriage, they hear me so. Which kind of issue when a person go down with that person life? You want useless, now to useless to you. Which kind of sense be all this one now?
Again, take a bow and leave.
I don't understand now. What sort of nonsense is this? I'm not worried,
Are you selling the car? Are you get moto? Moto.
When you wanted to marry this guy, I called you.
Mary, now what's he make Mary sell his car?
Exactly my point. Now you don't marry again. You don't
Mary, the money when Mary take, you know rich am. Alex, you know rich am. Alex, I told you that this guy charged me to court. You think I'm like, where make I bring the paper for you? Make you use your answer. Where make I bring the paper for you? Make you use your answer. Now me first want us come for straight.
Now what do I go? Can you manage this corona?
You're not getting married to this guy again. You say you talk like.
I don't know what I do.
Which person use that car?
Alex, check these papers.
So they sell property.
Check these papers, bro. Check it. Check it. I don't know what I don't know what I just go. I don't tire every day.
No. If you have the whole two, wait till you have this one. When they write for you. Look at them.
Now you tell me say me, I dey fornicate and I dey cheat outside. Me, when I the same person when we say I catch with him S. Who knows? And you came back late that very day. Who knows what he go do for outside? Who know? I dey try as much as I can. Like I dey try to just comot all these things from my mind. Make I focus on my lifestyle, on my things what I want to do. I get projects what I want to run. Every day, this girl won't come for straight. I don't see that devil won't walk like this. I don't see that devil won't walk like this.
If you might not go, now you give that devil chance, make you walk. One night, now you give him chance. Because half of me, you know, my problem with you is that you know, you always want to do. I saw this coming. Man, I'm going too much to become okay. I'm bringing trouble. I don't want your happiness. You eat your own wine. Now look at it. They distress at your young age. They distress in and pass with you. They are the one who what I can bash.
What I can see.
What I can access a better rough man. Look at what you're going through. Oh no, be baba. One day the brother get better luck.
They call me saying I say me. I they fighting brother. Saying I be thugs. I they bring thugs. Who be thugs? For the whole many family, all of them are thugs.
That boy gets serious.
All of them are thugs. All of them are agbero. All of them are thugs. All of them are agbero. A brother come here the other day, use fan, wipe my head. I bought you fan. Made this scattered TV where worth $500,000. I bought another one. Not be me they done, I got the one. She just won't come frustrate my life. Now she tell me say she won't share property. Whose property she won't share? Marriage will never even go anywhere. Not say you bought anything for me. Oh. I don't even know. Since all this already say me I do something. I don't even know if she did take medicine or if she did take drugs. No issue, nothing. Even one simple miscarriage, I don't see.
So you don't be swear, maybe you no go feel born for you for this life. No, you take them now.
I won't take body again.
She don't fit now.
You won't pass, but you won't drink the belly.
Person will be saying no, you don't get anything to show for. You see, if imagine say that girl born one for this house. No, just imagine say that girl she did so. No, one week make it a motor no one week. If it's square, you go see the one way be fire. This one is just a sin. I just must want to because say she no born. Property carry on. When you did they suffer for all this is where she did. When you did how today, sleepless night. If it's quite see, I don't want to talk too much. But make God help and say make me I use my eyes here. Now you and that nine do court marriage, don't be me and that. That's that what? So my girl.
If I tell you say I never tire, bro. If I tell you say I never tire,
As in,
I try to. You know what I try to do? Be say every day I want to just be happy. You know, I want to commit my mind for those kind of things because why? I get where I go. I get where I land. You be person why I marry. Why I help in life, help in family life, now go they put for my head every day. I don't know if you understand.
Oh, I just did.
So, I don't say no vex, bro. I don't say I don't to disturb
I feel for you.
Me, I don't say I don't to disturb you. So, not be per se I want to put. But as much as I dey try to just say they make I get calm, me I just say to the. But you know what? I'm not stupid, though. I'm not foolish. I'll make sure, I see the end of this. Like I will. You know, the whole family, if they hear my name, next time,
You don't get any lawyer.
Right. I don't understand how I'm talking about. I get better lawyer like this with it down.
That's a good
That one
start.
is not a problem.
That's a good start.
I should. What did you say? If you say person, Ongi Zurumoto, my God Zurumoto.
Oh yeah,
You brought papers. You are suing this guy. You say you are not doing again. You say you want to divorce. Why are you selling his property? Can you be married in a remote here? Ongi Wumoto. Gold digger, nothing.
No, that see, that's what's the right word. No.
Digger.
Wise one, no, they sorry. Yeah, this way talk, no, they sorry. No, be careful to go pick for silver, they clean her up. You don't know the matter. Okay, they bring you finish. You come inside. I can't turn tiger.
I will blame you.
Come turn lion for house.
I will blame you. I told you before. I talk calm. I do video about that. Why you unfreeze the account that time when she take withdraw that money? Now you can't give another. Why? What did they find? What did they find when you give her back the thing?
Guys, no, you don't understand. Uncle say okay, as he don't be like make I give him if I head go calm down.
And you just
Okay, yes, I give him. Make me say I don't get anything for her for mine.
Oh, uncle when the time may give her, uncle when the time say may give her those things. Uncle knows what she should do.
Oh.
Okay, now when you don't give her the thing now,
What you come
when
out?
you come out of farm?
The
See,
moment
make I tell you, uncle don't owe.
the cash giver, you will freeze the account. 3.something million and then get come over the account.
You now young boy you be. My uncle don't owe.
Money where you
What
want
will they tell you?
project money. You come back from there. I was even expecting
Funny enough, my audition. This comes with my audition on the 20th. All this thing when this guy they carry court paper, they sack me. Seka! One put me for depression. One day frustrate me. My audition on the 20th of this month.
Yeah.
Now this kind of thing I want to put for my head. When I'm supposed to pursue my life, pursue my dream. Money I want to shoot film. She come out 3.7 million naira from the money. But I'm not going to fall for that one. I get God. God when they sleep. God when carry me reach this level. I know where they carry me they go. And I don't say thank God say everything they happen like this now. Make it happen, make it just happen once and for all, make I rest. I don't die, I don't be the first person to marry.
You don't do.
Make I rest.
Stand, no.
I try as much as possible to just come out all these things from my mind. I don't want to get depressed, I don't want to get frustrated every day. Let me that they try to sometimes I go just follow wise on will come out. Why don't carry me come out to go just go chief one side. I don't want to think something, I don't want to think. I get dreams.
Stand up, make you stand up first. Stand up.
I get dreams.
Nama, you be a bed. Stand up. What you they need that for?
I get dreams, bro.
See, make I tell you,
no concerning about this stuff, this court stuff. I'm not scared of it. I'm not scared of going to court. I need a fear. I need a fear for that one. Are they ready? Even if I'm now as we speak, are they ready to go?
Oh wow.
Who doesn't wait when the gets rich?
Maybe.
Are they ready to go? If I'm not wicked in full generation and full family, may my name not be David. May my name not be David. If I'm not wicked, marry a full family and a full generation, may my not be David. As na make she won't come, she says she won't come. What did I not do?
Why when I tell you when they bring this girl come this house, I did very happy. Motor like when I came we happy to what I kill with she never for one day call me for phone. Because all me on name.
She has all this things scripted and planned. Right?
No, what me and they think that whether this kind of person they just project make it come bring you down.
And the people
I don't know whether they project.
Nah, our family.
No, I don't understand now. I don't understand.
Down. They will continue to go down like that.
This kind of projection. You don't know everything.
Big mom, you insist on every pot. Now I know what they give that in brother confidence. They are aware of all these things. They are all together. They put this thing.
No, I'm telling you, this is just it be like waiting they don't program. They don't program as okay. At this point, this person will come. And as so it will be. Waiting vex me, waiting they vex me like this and say, you go for her.
A very small girl.
You go for the plan. That's just my hand. Oh yeah, you know when we were like this now.
No blame am, na love.
No, with this kind of love. I don't say I saw with the love, fine. But to this extent, how many get first one, make the second one, make the third one. People say, that's how Uncle Sigi on freeze and give back. He didn't catch for once. Okay. Why did you tell him? Okay, yeah, so go. So you do your findings.
Scatter things.
Which time will not be only him? Why would you listen to people outside? Can you get the manuji? Now that you're suffering, it's a man that suffer.
No, you to unfreeze the account and you did. Money block.
3.7 million on ever.
And they try to do the safer side. Maybe I feel say maybe she go change. I feel say she go change. I be all those things.
Oh, now him now.
I know say I don't make the biggest mistake for my life. Yes, I know. I know.
See, make
this court, I go go am. We go go am. Not the song.
David, make I tell you something. You see this way talking now. Now they keep it for marriage. Make her marry and make her enjoy and go change.
If it's not working, it's not working.
You know they work.
What are you?
If it's not working, it's not working, man. You know they work. Change. Now the bring person don't die. Okay, once it don't happen once, it don't happen. If to stay out there around, bros, this thing no go get to this stage when the day now. She go don't move. I still don't do first one, do second one. The next time my brother make it come out. If it's not working, it's not working. Don't make her give her time. You go change. Person go they die. You look at you now. You don't become shadow of yourself. When I become no wise one. No. No now. David is too young now. Look at my brother. Which time marriage with that one? Now so did they marry?
I'm not
I'm no worry.
It's not working. It's not working. They are not patching it. It's a lifetime thing.
That's
If you're not
See,
comfortable, you're not
the thing is that you get people they back up her.
exactly.
She gets a brother day, family day, you know. For me, I know.
Which time? Nobody that useless boy will come here. They talking, they do up and down. They say no leaders have been doing. Nobody that want to see for here. What thing is shocking me say Mary when I see if they tell me say Mary go change like this, I no go believe her.
She changed.
If they tell me say Mary wait till this one
unless you, she changed totally.
If person open man tell me say Mary go do like I feel go any which one I feel go any shrine stand swear for Mary say when I first see this girl, I first like him and say oh my brother don't make the right choice. But this thing that no make it take from her.
Now tell me now, why did she sell the car? What she selling it for?
Now she be na property na one share.
What she selling the car for?
She don't know say you know get as much.
I go so wicked this girl.
Yes now.
The level of the group now. The only she go because she can't.
This girl is planning this thing they come. Mary has been planning this thing. I go so wicked this girl. I go so wicked damn eh? If person they ask calm, I don't know why people where they always they calm. People outside always they take them for granted.
Good.
She think I'm calm like that all through, right? She feel say maybe I just get calm all through, right? No say she don't do the one where we say pass the one where she dey do.
Okay, now wait forward now. Thank God say you don't get. You want to go lawyer. You want to be a lawyer. Yeah, you make the camera. You say try the case. Let's look for how to win it.
No, if that Alex, don't get me wrong. If he's caught, I'm not scared of it. Normal soft, bro. Normal soft. It is caught. I'm not scared of it.
That is I for don't sound. You know me now. You know me. Oh, if you
be my phone, there's a call I want to make. I don't want to hear it online. You don't call what I want to make. I don't want to hear it.